Hey guys, hope you are all doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about contents related to the AWS solution architect. And that first is types of hosting architecture as per the present practice. There are three major types. One is physical, another one is virtual, another one is cloud. Physical is it's a traditional and general practice what earlier we has to follow. For example, server room and data center are available in any organization or enterprises with themselves. For that, requirement of hardware, software, procurement to be done by their end to end being monitored by themselves. Pros and cons of the physical one. The service hosted at the physical is entirely private from the over the internet, which is available within inside of the organization or any enterprises. Uh, People using this model to protect their confidential data from the out of the world. For example, banks and hospitals, since they are having the confidential and critical data, they are having their duty to protect the same. That's why they are preferring for this physical one. Cons of the physical one is the end-to-end setup to be created and monitored by uh, that owner of the physical infrastructure. Separate individual servers are required for running of each and every application. Also, licenses and AMCs and support related to that to be taken care by the organizations and OEMs. And also, it's a time-consuming process. We can't do just like that. We need to take take a complete each and every step is very time consuming. For example, if you want to create a server setup in a new manner, it would take around 2 to 4 months. Visualization, it's a second one in that three model. Not like physical one, it's same. Instead of having a separate server for separate application, we can reduce the underlying requirements by using virtualization concept. In physical type, you need different servers for hosting of different application. Here, you can use the underlying server for multiple application by using virtualization concept through hypervisor mechanism. Hypervisor is used to configure virtual computers in software level, which is being managed by respective OEMs like VMware and Microsoft hypervisor, etc. We can say that virtual computers OS and it's a desired one. We can choose our OS as per our requirement. Pros and cons of virtualization is in pro aspect we can achieve multiple hosting setup with the same underlying resources. We can achieve multiple number of computers with less number of physical servers. It leads any organization to achieve their cost effectiveness under licensing and infrastructures and procurement, etc. In cons aspect, it's a better than the physical infrastructure, but there is other activities like procurements, licensing, and AMC to be taken care by the owner of the servers. Next, cloud computing. It's a process of using remote computing resources over the internet for any corporates or individual is called cloud computing. For example, modern day cloud service providers like AWS, GCP, Azure, and Oracle, etc. In the pros aspect of cloud computing, it's a very cost efficient one. The latency and the scalability is very good compared to the physical and virtual. The updates related to the components being used is very easy and to be taken care by the service providers, and the disaster recovery and backup provision is very good compared to others. And also there is an enhanced security through the global, and the access through the global is very good. In cons aspect, there is a limited control to the underlying services like networking resources and any other resources to the service availed clients, it's very limited. And also, very stable internet is required to reach out the cloud setups. In case of switching between the cloud service providers, bit is very challenging. If you are using AWS, if you want to switch to GCP, is a little bit tough. Okay, with this, I will wrap up this video. We will see upcoming contents on next videos.